The transmitter is on its non-working unit. Transmitter's on. I'm about to turn on the ESC, see if so you get all your bells and whistles. Everything beeped. Now we don't want to get any sound. Power throttle up, throttle down. You can still see the transmitter, the ESC switching forward and reverse, and there's no sound.